Touba is an AI-based B2B platform that creates a direct connection between suppliers and demanders. Touba's goal is to use the maximum potential of manufacturers and provide multifaceted and comprehensive solutions to demanders. What is the difference between us and other platforms? Considering excess capacity and providing solutions to use more manufacturing capacity. But what do we mean by excess capacity and how is it implemented? When you create a profile as a supplier on our website, Touba's artificial intelligence tools check your production status and estimate your manufacturing capacity. The gap between manufacturing capacity and your final product is identified as excess capacity and guides you on using your maximum capacity for manufacturing. In the following, you can see one of Touba's services which were previously designed for Canadian farms. First, you enter the characteristics of the soil and the platform offers you two categories of products based on the type and features of the soil, best option, and possible option. After choosing the plant, information about the advantages and disadvantages of this plant. In the end, it is the turn of the costs and profit from planting this crop, how much planting and harvesting, how much cost is required, and how much profit the farmer gets. The table of costs for planting and producing crops is shown to the farmer at the end so that he can more accurately estimate his own forecast for the final amount of harvest by changing the production costs. Also, the user can use this feature-based location on the map. After selecting the product, it shows the best place for planting in red. By zooming on the map, information about the area is provided for users, such as the planting score, the exact location, and the priority planting. Touba platform provides services in the field of business intelligence. The graph shows total farm cash receipts. By hovering on the graph, types of farm cash receipts and their values in that year will be shown. At the end of the graph, its color turns to red, which shows our forecast of the future and the upper and lower bounds of the forecast. In page 2, total farm cash receipts categorized by provinces, there is a slider bar which gives us the option of selecting desired range of time. In page 3, total farm cash receipts categorized by provinces, quarterly. In page 4, all types of receipts and shows the fluctuations of 3 types of receipts in time. The last page shows the total direct payments to agriculture producers rather than the total. Different types of payments are available also. You can select the year. In the second model, we provide the total and average production of agricultural products, categorized by province slider bar for the year selection. By hovering over each product, you can see the changes in time. Also, by selecting each crop, the details button turns on, which forwards the user to a new page with more details about that crop and some predictions about the future. In page 2, total seeded and harvested areas of agricultural products. In the third model shows the average price of 3 products, monthly and yearly. In the last part shows total expenses and rebates, and also total expenses and rebates by provinces. It is expected that the total of agriculture and agri-food and seafood exports and domestic agriculture and food processing sales will reach $225 billion in Canada by 2025. On average, farms dedicate 1.2% of their yearly income to new technologies. Thus, yearly market value cap is around $2.7 billion. Touba intends to capture at least 1.5% of this yearly market value by 2025. We expect our total market cap will be around $40 million. Considering the most important producers of the main Touba products in all production markets and also the internationality of the Touba platform, the expansion of Touba includes the addition of other industries in addition to the region. Saroush and Amir Hossein with their team members have a lot of experience in the field of setting up and consulting in the fields of industrial and agricultural production, and they have been working on the Touba project for nearly 3 years. They have been able to gather a very good and strong team in the fields of technology, artificial intelligence, and marketing to present the Touba project to the market in the best way.